Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Today I'm going to explain passive voice in a simple and easy way. I hope by the end of this video you will have a better understanding of what passive voice is and how to use it properly. So, first of all, what is passive voice? Passive voice is a grammatical construction where the subject of a sentence receives the action of the verb rather than performing it. Passive voice is opposite. Passive voice is the opposite of active voice. So in an active voice, the subject does the action. For example, I eat a banana. So this is the active voice. Meanwhile, the passive voice, the object becomes the focus. For example, a banana is eaten by me. So, by comparing both, we can clearly see the difference. So, why do we use a passive voice? There are several reasons about it. First of all, when you don't want to say who did the action. Second of all, when you don't know who did the action. Third, when the object is more important. And fourth, when the subject is obvious. So basically, passive voice helps you shift the focus from the subject to the object. This is useful when the subject is unnecessary or already understood. So next, let's talk about the formula of passive voice. The general structure of a passive sentence is to be plus past participle or verb 3 plus and optionally we can add by plus subject at the end. So it's optional, but in general, it's common to add this one. Okay. Next, passive voice in 5 sentences. So here are 5 common tense in passive voice. First, simple present. They use is or are plus verb 3. Second, simple past tense. They use was or were plus verb 3. Third, present continuous tense. They use is or are plus being plus verb 3. And present perfect. They use has or have been plus verb 3. And then future. They use will be plus verb 3. They always use verb 3 because it's the formula of passive voice. So basically it has to be verb 3. So each of them has a different to be formed depending on the time. So remember, the thing that changed depending on the tense is the form of to be. So before we go into the examples, I just want to give you a quick tip to help you recognize passive voice more easily in real situations. One of the most common clues is the use of the word by followed by the person or thing doing the action, like in the letter was sent by my friend. But sometimes the by part is not even mentioned, especially if the doer is unknown or not important. So, another thing to notice is the type of verb that often appear is passive voice, such as make, build, write, send, offer, and give. You will hear sentences like the cake was made, the email was sent, or the book was written. All of these are passive. And so, whatever you see the structure, a form of to be followed by past participle, chances are you're looking at the passive sentence. Okay, now let's try changing active sentence into the passive. Okay. Now, if you have this sentence, I eat a banana. It's it's and it's active voice, and you want to change it into passive voice. First of all, identify the types of tenses in the sentence. So, what is the types of tenses is this? Yeah, this is simple present tense. This sentence is simple present tense. So, if you want the easy way to change it, first of all, you have to identify also the object of sentence. It's from this sentence, the object is banana, and you have to move the object to the front of the sentence. So, a banana plus the verb to be from simple present is or what? Is or are, right? And a banana is singular, so you use is for this. So basically is a banana is eaten by me. Is eaten by me. So eaten is verb 3, and you have to change it from verb 1 to verb 3 here, and add by me. And then the second examples, you have the children ate the cake. You have this sentence and you want to change it. First of all, what is this type of tenses? So the children ate the cake. It's simple past tense. Yeah, of course it's simple past tense. So first of all, the object is the cake. You can move it first. It becomes the cake. So here, the cake. What is verb to be for simple past? Is was or were, but the subject is plural, and because it's plural, you use were, because was is for singular. So the cake were eaten were eaten by who? By the children. The cake was eaten by the children. Okay, so thank you so much. That's all my presentation. Thank you so much for watching. and I hope it helped you understand passive voice better. If you have any question, feel free to ask.